Hey, Al Williamson, leadinglandlord.com. I gotta keep my videos going, right? I want to start a series. It's about 7 laws I came up with. It's laws on abundance, which is different than what you would use for an investor rules. So I spent last year really thinking about what's the difference between an investor and a banker, and what we can do to have an unlimited amount of money versus a limited amount of money. And one of the laws, the first law, is you have to work interdependently with others. That means you can't be a lone ranger. You got to rely on people, do partnerships. That's how you do it, because you're going to need other people's assets, other people's money, and other people's ideas to really pull this off. If you want to live in a world where you don't have any financial issues, no limitations. And if you're working collectively with people who have some form of resource, either in ideas or they have contacts or they have the actual resources that you need, then you can get a part of that deal. And that is what bankers do. They're not trying to control the whole thing. They just want a piece of the pie. And that is the first law of abundance, is work interdependently with others, relying on other people. And now that's going to require some leadership skills on your part. It's also going to take some personality growth. You got to grow in some areas, but that's how you do it. And I'll unpack more of that later. But I just want to put this first one out and try to get all this series done this week. All right.